Want to switch between light and dark mode on your DoorDash Dasher app? It's easy. Dark mode reduces eye strain and can save battery, especially on phones with OLED screens. To switch, open the Dasher app and log in. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Select Settings, then Display or Theme. Choose Light, Dark, or System Default. The change happens instantly. If you select System Default, the app will automatically switch based on your phone's settings. This feature is available on iOS and Android devices running recent versions of the app 4.12 Plus. Dark mode offers several benefits. It reduces blue light exposure, which can help with sleep. It saves battery on OLED screens. About 70% of users prefer dark mode for these reasons. The Dasher app's dark mode integrates with iOS 15 Plus and Android 10 Plus for a seamless experience. If you're using an older device, you might not have the option to switch. Also, keep in mind that while dark mode is helpful, it's important to maintain good contrast for readability. If you encounter any issues, make sure your app is up to date. Enjoy a more comfortable dashing experience.